unboxing 9 products from Gungnir Grooming. Use code the truth to save 15%. I have a website link down below, as well as my previous unboxings, my review, and my live stream with Chris from Gungnir Grooming. Stay tuned for round 2 of my live stream with Chris coming soon. More info on that on Instagram, so if you haven't followed me there already, I'll have that link down below. Check me out. There's lots of cool content, lots of product photos and video teasers and all that sort of thing. Yeah, let's hop into this video. Alright, so starting off with the scent profiles that I ordered. So I got Fafnir's Bud, which is apple, spice, and vanilla. And then I got the unscented blend as well. I'll pop the name of that up on the screen. And then I got Mimrir's Whisper, which is sweet tobacco, clove, and amber. Another bottle of the Wanderer, because I ran out recently. So that's forest pine, cedarwood, and campfire. Incredible scent, definitely recommend it. Aller's Glory, which is winter mint and vanilla. And then I got Tearfing, which is sweet tobacco, red cherry, harvest spice, vanilla, and clove. All of these sound incredible. Be excited to check them out. Next, let's talk about the ingredients for the oil and the butter. Alrighty, so for the beard oil, it's jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and fragrance oils for scent. And for the beard butter, it's shea butter, BTMS 25 for conditioning, as well as jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and then fragrance oils, again for scent. Next, let's unbox these products and check them out. Alright, so I ordered 6 oils, unscented butter, 1 Gungnir Grooming solid sandalwood Camber Combs, which has a laser engraved Odin helmet on one side and hand etched Gungnir on the other. You'll be seeing it as I'm talking about it. And use my affiliate code the truth to save 15%. Yeah, Chris also mentioned that he threw in a beard and body soap in the Wanderer scent. I'm definitely excited to try it out. Yeah, let's unbox these products. Alrighty, let's hop into this unboxing. So, like I said, got a bunch of different scents. Don't think anything leaked or melted, so that's good. Yeah, no, everything looks to be all good. I can already smell something good, so that's exciting. These are nice and bubble wrapped, so they're extra safe, which I always appreciate. And so I'm gonna unbox all these, and then we'll talk about the scents after this. So just get them out of the box. I think this is the Wanderer. I can already smell it. Maybe we'll see. Yeah, so that's one beard oil, which is $16.99 normal price. But if you use the truth, you save 15%. That's not an affiliate code, just a discount code for you guys. Definitely rock with Gungnir Grooming and their products. Really, really good stuff. Small batch, handmade. Got the second oil here. Oh, I can smell these already. Smell awesome so far. I'm digging them. We'll look through and read the scent profiles and talk about all that here in the next segment. Yeah, third bottle of beard oil. Gungnir Grooming is now included in one of the in the small number of companies that I have. I think larger than 10 product collection. There's a few Beard Kings, Beard Brothers, American Beard Co, Magic City. So one of very few. It's always a sign that I really rock with the company. That when I buy, because I bought all these minus the soap that he sent. Yeah, I rock with Gungnir Grooming. It's all really great stuff. Awesome labels, great blend. There's 4 oils. Oh, this is great. I think this only took 2 weeks to get to me, so. And I paid for the base model shipping, or the base shipping. And then he also sent a sample of the new scent that he's doing, which is called Twilight of the Thunder God. So it's a Thor-inspired scent. I'm not going to tell you the scent profile right now because it's not out yet, but that'll be out on Thursday, July 28th. Definitely stay tuned for that. It's going to be a killer scent. Definitely excited for that. Yeah, and then we've got the Wanderer soap. Pretty cool. Plastic mostly covers the scent. It's cool. Next we have the unscented beard butter, because I figured with all these oils it's good to have the unscented beard butter. Oh, that's cool. Put the rune in the container. It's a cool touch. And then one last bottle of beard oil, and we will check these out and give them a sniff. There we go. There's bottle number 6. And then last but not least, we have the Camber Comb, which is a sandalwood comb. I might actually keep this in my backpack for when I'm at work, because I don't currently keep a comb, and this one's nice and small, so yeah, that'd be good for that. Pretty heavy though, considering how small it is. It's got some weight to it. And these are hand etched on the side there, which is pretty cool. Gungnir symbol right there. Yeah, definitely smells like sandalwood. Awesome. Very, very nice. And then last but not least, the information, a couple stickers. Hey, let's go. 3 more stickers. That's exciting. Gotta figure out. Might put one on my laptop because I have a spot there. Yep. Very cool. And then, let's see here. Alright, got a handwritten note with a quote. It says, my imagination expanded, I became wise, I grew and I thrive. One word chased another word, floating from my mouth. One deed chased another deed, flowing from my hands. You will find runes, rune letters to read, very great runes, very powerful runes, which Odin planted, and which the holy gods made, and which Odin carved. And then he said, so happy to have you part of the Ulfertil Hair tribe, which is Wolves of the High One. It's a group that I'm a part of now, so that's why my code is now the truth, which saves 15%. There's 4 of us now. I'll link all our Instagrams down below. George, Ian, Jared, and then obviously myself, and then with Chris, the owner. And the pack is going to elevate each other so much and bring us all closer to the old gods. In your pack, you will find a small bottle marked with, yeah, that's the, so I'll put a picture of this so you can see the rune he's talking about. Introducing Twilight of the Thunder God, Hail Thor, Defender of Midgard, Masher of Sea and Storm. Have a great day, my brother, Chris. Yeah, so nice handwritten note with all the stuff that I ordered. Yeah, very exciting. Let's talk about these scents. Alrighty, so the first scent we're going to check out is Fafnir's Blood, which is apple, spice, and vanilla. I've heard good things about this one so far. Give it a shake. Let's check this out. Ooh, nice. Definitely get the apple. The vanilla is kind of in the background. I would say the spice in the middle. Oh, that's nice. I'm excited to get that in beard. Very, very nice. And then the next one, so yeah, obviously this is unscented, so there's no scent to it. It says light and earthy, so that's just the carrier oils. Yeah, I get a little bit of that earthiness, but mostly, yeah, unscented. Yeah, definitely good to have, because I do have the Wanderer Balm as well as the Wanderer Butter. So I have another bottle of the Wanderer Oil as well. But it's nice to have an unscented oil and butter around. I definitely recommend that you keep some in your collection. All right. And then next is Mimir's Whisper, which is sweet tobacco, clove, and amber. This one sounds incredible. Nice. Definitely get the sweet tobacco up front, and I'd say the amber and the clove kind of fade in there as well. And it's subtle. It's not too in your face. Awesome. Very, very cool. Alright, and then next is Odrider. I think I butchered the name, but I'll have the spelling out. This one is spiced honey wine, so mead. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Honey wine. Definitely get that sort of honeyish scent to it. It's nice. It's very fresh. A little bit invigorating, even, I would say. Very, very nice. The next, that smells like to your thing. Yeah, so this one is sweet tobacco, red cherry, harvest spice, vanilla, and clove. Yeah, definitely the sweet tobacco, red cherry. It's kind of in there in the background. A little bit of vanilla. Yeah, awesome scent for sure. Very, very nice. Ah, that's Uller's Glory. Yeah, winter mint and vanilla. Sweet but invigorating at the same time. Definitely very nice. Oh yeah, that's the Wanderer. There it is. Very, very nice. Such a good scent. I don't often finish full bottles of beard oil, but this one I did, and it's a killer scent. So. And then you got the little sample here of Twilight of the Thunder God, which is a Thor-inspired scent, which releases on Thursday, July 28th. I'm going to try to have this video up before then. If not, it'll be on that day. But check that out. I'll have the link down below. Ooh. Nice. I'm not going to say too much about this right now, but just know that it smells awesome, and you'll definitely want this one. Very, very nice. Awesome. That's a little sample, so probably once I finish that, I'll get the full-size bottle. Yeah, I got the Wanderer soap, which I'll peel out of the plastic here. gonna need to do that for product photos and B-roll, which I'll be doing right after this. Yeah, there it is. It's a little soft because it's hot out, so a little bit coming off on my hands, but that's okay. It's got a tree there, very cool. It's obviously a woodsy themed scent. So good. Very, very nice. And then yeah, like I said, this is the Camber Comb, so nice small comb, little quick combs of your beard. Yeah, combs through really nicely, no tangles. Nice. Very, very cool. This might be my go-to for when I travel, when I'm just kind of out of the house. Yeah, awesome. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty. Yeah, so let's wrap this video. So shout out to Chris for including the sample of the upcoming scent, Twilight of the Thunder God. Again, that's out on Thursday, July 28th. So that's this next Thursday, a week from tomorrow, as I'm filming this. Yeah, check that out. If it's live, I'll have the website link down below regardless. But follow me on Instagram so you know when it's live. And then yeah, these are all really cool scents. Excited to try them in beard. Shout out to Chris for throwing in the extra bar of soap and the Wonder as well as the 3 more stickers. Super dope. Yeah, and then use code TRUTH, not affiliate, to save 15% on Gungnir Grooming. Check out the rest of the Wolves of the High Ones, so Ian, George, and Jared, as well as myself and Chris, owner of Gungnir Grooming. Yeah, check out my previous Gungnir Grooming content down below. 2 other unboxings, full review, live stream with Chris. Stay tuned for another live stream with Chris and maybe some more special guests. Stay tuned for more info on my Instagram. Follow that down below. I have the link. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you tried Gungnir Grooming. If so, what have you tried? What did you like? If you haven't tried it, do you want to try it? What do you want to try? Let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace. Thank you.